play with my cash and I'm on your ass. Like the pockets on the back of your pants. Lay on my stairs like it was a mattress. Pillowcases filled over my bands. Couple grand in the attic, another grand like magic. That's mathematics. Getting paid is a habit. Ballin' like I was a maverick. Rubber band hundreds and shit keep on coming up. The thumb, move like a mummy. The drip got him slumpy. Just jump. Add to the combo if it's about money.
Let's go, baby! I'm getting real comfortable. And I got that music in, no backpack on, I'm feeling good. Wow, that was bad. Hey, but we're going to, you already know, we're going to hit some twisties. So I got to practice my leaning, baby. That one road that was closed, I want to go back there and see if it's open. I'm getting jiggy with it. Yeah, but guys, that with the backpack on, it feels so much better. It's weird. Like, it feels weird. It feels like I'm just like free. It's like kind of riding without a helmet, without a backpack. It's weird. And like full tuck, I can actually lift my head all the way up. So I knew it was my freaking bag. The bag was restricting me from moving my head up. Who was that? Someone just honked at me. Riding with music is just amazing, dude. It's like up there. It's like up there with the gym. Those two can't be top. Woo-hoo-hoo! A little Gallardo, baby. Wow. That thing looks sweet. I really like Gallardos. I think they look dope. Let's go, man. They're never gonna get old. I love doing them. Alright guys, music while riding can get you in trouble. Cause you're just going with the vibe of it and everything, you know? You're just vibing with it and shit. If I had a quick shift, I'd be able to practice shifting while doing the wheelie, but I don't know, for me it's really sketchy trying to, while you're in air, clutch in, shift up, and like let off the gas all at once. It's just sketchy. Like, you really gotta find balance point there. Since I died. Like what? Like, what are you doing? Old people, dude. Like, what are you doing? That's like the second time today, bro. Really? You gotta watch for these idiots. It's ridiculous. Like, I saw him coming out. I didn't think he was gonna come my lane though. I'm vibing the music, guys. This is, oh, it's just so good. Let's go. Whatever. Let's get it. Too crazy, but you know. turn signal was on that whole time. I'm such a noob, bro. Why? It's enough to ruin someone's day. That little part was fun though. I guess they can go start the rest of it. I'm definitely better leaning, like leaning left instead of right. I think you guys seen that shadow. Ooh, the blondes. I know that road that was closed connects up here, so we'll see. It's not closed. Let's go! Got the music and everything, baby. Dragon knee, you already know. Holy shit. I forgot how good it is riding the music while hitting twisties. My baby loves it. And we're back on it. Let's go. A girl right here. Any offers? Oh, look at the puppy. Hi. So cute. Oh. What's up, man? How you doing? Damn, that's yours? Oh, I thought that was the R1. CX6R. Nice. What year?
2009.
2009. Nice. You just ripping around here?
I just got it fixed.
Oh, really?
Electrical issue.
Okay,
So
damn.
I raced in Aprilia 1100 or whatever the fuck that was.
Yeah.
He off a dig, he had a hard time keeping up.
Really?
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No boys.
Oh, sweet, man. Well, I'm just cruising around. Just wanted to stop by. Right safe. So you guys just gotta go around and talk to people, bikers. You got a bike? Ooh, dope. Let me see what it is. I thought that was the R1. Oh, single moms. You can't beat them, baby. Chains? Nope. You like the bike? It's certified. Let's go. He goes, I love when people do that shit, baby. makes a day. Makes a man's day. And wheelie up the hill? I think so. That wasn't bounce pump, but you know, I'm still getting comfortable with it. I'm not trying to, you know, you gotta learn slowly, so. I'm like a street Rossi out here. Alright, I think that's enough of my ranting and shit. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up.